Okay, so I'm so excited to record this video. I'm actually using the light right now, and I guess if you're trying to save money, this is definitely a really good camera. However, it's not the most durable, it's not the highest quality. Obviously you get what you pay for, but I think for the money, this is a good buy overall. Let's go ahead and get started with the haul. Before I get started, I want to show you guys some of my pieces. If you guys don't follow me on social media, then I should probably let you know. I am a jewelry designer also. I work with a lot of crystals and making crystal pendants and things like that. So here are some of my designs. These are just some pieces that I've had that I need to get listed on my website. I have another amethyst one here also. So we have amethyst and black tourmaline here. Really pretty pieces. I have a bunch of more accessories and jewelry on my website. Everything will be linked down below, but I'm in the process of revamping, so it might be a little while. Anywho, let's go ahead and get started. The first package is this one. I'm gonna open this up. I already know what this is, and I'm very excited for it. It's just a tiny little thing in here. It didn't come how I thought it would. So it just came in a package like this, and they are the holographic butterflies. You guys see how shiny those are? So these are the butterfly confetti glitter and holographic silver. So I already have these in like an iridescent, it's like a clear green, and so I already have this kind, which you guys saw in my last haul. But I noticed that when I use them with polygel or Gel X, they don't really show up how I wanted them to. So one of my clients really wants to get butterflies, so I decided to go ahead and purchase these. It comes with a lot, so I'm definitely not disappointed in this purchase. So yeah. The next things I already opened, but I'm just gonna show you guys them anyway. I got this set of nail colors from Savvyland, and the box is already empty, but so it's a whole bunch of neon colors. This is the packaging and how small the bottle is if you're interested in purchasing this set. So these colors are the really, really bright colors. They do show up as very neon bright colors, but they do glow under UV light. So I'm just gonna show you guys that real quick. It comes with 9 colors in the package, and this is what the colors look like. So super pretty. And then I'm gonna try and show you guys with my LED light. So I don't know if you guys can see, they light up a lot brighter under an LED light. My LED light's actually running out of battery, so it's really not that strong. But that's how they look in the dark. Let's turn the light back on. I was really surprised with the quality. Very, very good quality, especially for the price. So I would definitely recommend that. As I said, everything will be listed down below. Next thing I got was another set of drill bits. The ones that I had were titanium. Let me see if I can show you. These are super dirty, but they were these ones right here from Mercart. And I like them, but I don't know. I really wanted to try ceramic drill bits. Those ones were alright, but they were very, very hard to clean. I don't know why, I just could never get them clean. So I decided to go with this set. The only time I use these bits are to remove gel polish and also take down any thickness on the nail if I'm doing polygel sets. And then you have 2 cuticle bits, and then there's like a, I'm sure it's a safety bit, which is usually fine, a coarse one, and then medium. I forget. But I'm gonna figure those out, and I'll definitely do a demo. Okay, the next thing I got, which I'm absolutely in love with. I'll put this away. Whew. It's so hot. Like, California is so annoying. It was so cold all week, and all of a sudden today it wants to be 75 degrees outside, and I got this big sweater on. I'm dying. The next thing I got is for my photos. So I got this little piece of fur material. I also got this on Amazon, but I definitely feel it's a better background for my nail pictures of my clients and also myself. If you guys see my Instagram, it's just really ugly. Like, the pictures I've posted had bad lighting, bad backgrounds on the nails. It's just like, I gotta step it up. So I'm going to make my Instagram look a little bit more presentable. You know what's annoying? This is how annoying I am. Let me tell you guys something. I went on Amazon to only buy a white nail polish, right? Because I ran out of white. All I wanted was just a super white gel polish. That's it. I ended up buying all this stuff, and guess what I forgot? I don't have white gel polish. Like, damn. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and open this last package. I actually have one more coming, but I don't really have to show you guys that one because all it is what was in that package? It was just like a top coat and base coat. So the top coat and base coat that I like to use all the time, my go-to, is the one from Modelones, which look like these. So anytime I buy a new top coat and base coat, it's always those ones, just because I find that they work really well. The clear is really clear, and it's a no wipe formula, which is my favorite. So yeah, that's my go-to. Next package. What's in here? I'm hoping my whole, oh yes, everything's in here. Okay, so the first thing I got was more orange wood sticks. I like using these to clean up and push back the cuticle. So before getting these, I was using the stainless steel cuticle pushers, but I found that a lot of the ones that I had were kind of scraping my client's nails, so I got rid of them, picked up some orange sticks, and then I used my Cuticle Bits to clean up the cuticle now. I don't use the titanium or the stainless steel ones anymore. This comes in a pack of 50 pack. Not bad. I think anywhere you go, these are pretty cheap, but you can find bigger bundles on Amazon. The next thing I got were my nail files, which I needed because, so you guys know, whenever you guys have a new client, you should always use a new nail file on them. So if you guys are working with a lot of people, you're gonna run through them. So this is just like a generic brand. We got the 100 to 180 grit files, look like this. And yes, this comes with 25 pieces. So just letting you guys know, whenever you get a new set of files, what I would recommend you doing is softening the edges of them, because I don't know about you guys, but I know on myself, when I use brand new files, I've been cut by them before, and that hurts so bad. So anytime you guys get new files, what I would recommend is grabbing an old one, grabbing the new one, and then roughing up the very edge here, like this. That way it is soft and you're not gonna cut your clients or anything like that. So just an extra tip. What else we got? What is this? I don't remember what this is. Oh, duh. Okay, when I do my own nails, I pretty much, with every set, I use a foil, some kind of foil, just to add like some prettiness to my nails. This is the glue that I've been using. This is the FIFA nail foil adhesive glue. And I'm gonna be honest, this is a really good glue. I've never had a problem with it, ever. The only issue that I've noticed with it is that around the second week of having my nails on, the foil starts to chip. Drives me crazy, but overall it's still a good glue if you're on a budget. I don't even remember how much this was, and I actually think it came with foils. Yeah, so I decided to go with the gel foil. So this is from Beetles, and this is Nail Art Foil Glue.
This one?
So it looks like this, and it's just, it looks like a clear coat. And this one, on the other hand, is white. This is a white glue versus a
this one
clear glue. Yeah. So the difference with this one is that it is a gel polish, so you do have to cure it, and then the top layer is going to be sticky, and then you apply the foil. So I'm also going to be testing this out in my next video. So I'm going to be doing a gel mani on myself, so be on the lookout for that. I'm going to be testing this out. So I'm hoping this fixes the problem that I had with this glue. So the thing with that, and I found with every transfer glue, it always comes with 2. This is a lot of transfer glue. I really don't need this much. I think 1 will last a really long time, but you get 2 when you order it. So the other thing that I got were these nail foils. So I ordered them just for myself, but I'm sure many of my clients are gonna want this also. We have 4 foils, which are cheetah print, leopard print, whatever you wanna call it. So they look like this, super pretty. I'm so excited to try these out. And I might actually just do that now. Should we? No. So I'm actually going to test these out right now on camera. But before doing that, I just want to show you guys the rest of my swatches. In my last video, you guys saw all the swatches, but I ended up changing them. I got a bunch of these nail swatch thingies from Amazon. So I decided just to re-swatch all my colors. So you guys already seen all these colors. They're from the, I think it was Maricart collection. They come with 22 colors each, and I bought 2 different sets. So this was the first set, this was the second set. You guys already seen this. And then really quickly, I just want to show you guys all the foils that I have. So I have it down below in the description box. This set that I bought comes with 40 different foils. So this is everything in the set. It comes with a bunch of metallics, which look like this. And then the next ones are, next one was like a marble set of 10, which is like a marble set, which looks like this. Dude, I hate my hands, but they look really nice in this lighting. Okay, next one was the floral set, 10 different flowers. And the last one was kind of like a white and lacy set, which is kind of a mixture of everything, but it's just black and white designs. And then, as I stated, I bought this glue and it came with its own foils, which I'll show you guys right now. These foils are like, they remind me of a party because they're kind of like, I guess you have to see it. They look like gift wrap paper. So they're super vibrant. And yes, I love them. I actually had this one on for Christmas and everybody loved my nails. Okay. Okay, these ones, these 4 here are my my powders. And then I also have my water marble set. The way I set this up is so ugly, but just to give people an idea of how it works, it's there. So yeah. So I'm gonna add my leopard print ones to this and let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna try and record it. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. I'm not gonna be using my new glue because I'm gonna be featuring this in my next video, but I'm going to go ahead and use this one. I will even show you guys how it all works and all that stuff. Okay, so we're gonna start with 4 swatches. It starts off white and then it dries clear. Once it's clear, that means it's ready for the foil. That's another reason why I'm not a huge fan of this, is because it takes a while to dry. So I'd rather just like be able to cure it and be done. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna grab another little piece. I have a lot of faith in foils. I believe it's just the glue that messes things up for people, but I'm just gonna smooth it over, try to get out the bubbles or the lines. You don't have to leave it on very long, just rip it off. That's a little better. We're still missing some spots there, but that's what happens when you use this type of glue. Okay, let's go ahead and do the next one.
That's why this comes quick. Oh my gosh, that's like what was it? Turning all the way down to 0.
Ooh, that's better. Ooh.
Go get it, go get it, go get it. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so now we can wrap up this video. Here are the last 4 foils. That's what they look like. If you guys want to see me using these on my actual nails, go ahead and stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to be doing my set. Actually, it's not going to be a set, it's just nails. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will have everything linked down below. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.